Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the format of article writing. So, let's start our lesson. Article writing. An article writing information on a variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing. It involves a high degree of creativity, a wide vocabulary, a thorough knowledge of the subject, and a lot of organizational abilities. Articles can be used to describe a person, his life and actions, describe a place, narrate an event, expresses views on some issue of social interest, express arguments in favor or against a stated hypothesis or event. An article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing. It evaluates a student's skill in expressing ideas, planning and organizing, presenting ideas with supportive examples, comprehending concepts and arriving at a conclusion. It is written to express personal opinion or present information on a variety of themes. Articles are used to express views or mention facts about a subject or issue of interest, express reason for against a justification of or against some happening event or principle, describe a person, his life or actions, describe a place, and narrate an incident or event. Format: heading or title. Features of article. It is written in third person. Language should be objective and to the point. A heading and a byline must be provided appropriate to the subject and according to the question. It should be relevant to the verbal visual input provided in the question. It should normally consist of three parts: introduction, main body, and conclusion. These three parts should be in separate paragraphs whatever possible. Depending on the topic, give examples to support your arguments, use compare and contrast method, or show a cause-effect relationship. It ends with a summing up which give a suggestion, recommendation, prediction, etc. In format, number first, heading or title, eye-catching heading. The heading should encapsulate central theme, byline, by whom the article is written. Number 2, body, 3 to 4 paragraph. Introduction, the opening paragraph, what the article is about, catch attention, arouse interest of the reader, define the topic, use clear and precise language. Purpose of writing, plan before you write, use facts and show cause effect relationship. Give examples to support your views. Present argument in a coherent, logical, and convincing manner. Create comparison and contrast. Compare and justify why your view are better. Number 3, conclusion. Summing up, consolidation of ideas, offering suggestions, measure to improve the situation, personal observations and predictions. Following points should be kept in mind while writing article, speech and debate. Vocabulary and grammar, unity, coherence, using the given information, research, planning, quotations, and difference between an article and speech. Point to be kept in mind, language must be formal. Introduction, main body and conclusion should be in different paragraphs whatever possible. Do not forget to give a heading and byline which is appropriate. Maintain the word limit of the article excluding heading and byline to within 100 to 150 words. Marking scheme for article. For title and byline 2 marks. For content 4 marks. For accuracy 1 marks, for fluency 1 marks, total 8 marks. Here home assignment is given. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next topic. Thank you.